Very first segment, lies Haitian parents tell their kids. And we're going to go straight to it.
Lies Haitian parents tell their kids. Okay.
When you were growing up, what kind
Right.
of lies your parents told?
What kind of lies parents, what kind of lie they didn't tell, right?
That's the question.
That should be the question. Well, the first thing that comes to mind is when they don't want you to do something,
Yep.
like they'll just come up with, make it, the biggest excuse they would have is lugau, which is,
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
like the boogeyman.
The boogeyman.
Coming to get you or something
Yeah.
like that. They really use that to their advantage to get you to do whatever
Oh, yeah.
they wanted. So that's the first thing that came to mind. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I can remember, because people still use it nowadays. They say,
Right.
Wakun Josh.
Yeah.
But I don't think they use it in the right context, though.
Okay.
They said, oh, Wakun Josh. They don't know the history behind it.
Okay.
Wakun George, it goes back to early 1900s. George was a marshal, what you call a bounty hunter or something like that.
Okay.
When someone who was in prison run away and he goes after them, once he catches them, right?
Right.
Not only he tortured them, he put their hands in hot oil